Hello and a very warm welcome to Gold Institute of English Language. We are in Jaunpur and I am joining, with the students. They are joining us with a purpose. That purpose is to conversate with something. So the topic is time management and what are the qualities we must have, like leadership qualities. We are going to discuss about these two topics. So first of all, I want to know from you
Yes, sir.
what's your name and how are you feeling to join this conversation?
First of all, thank you very much for providing me this opportunity. I'm feeling really grateful to stand here and speak about the topic sir has mentioned. And my name is Sachin Yadav, and thank you.
Okay, so Sachin, we will discuss about time management and leadership quality. So
Yes, sir.
actually, we are discussing about something that is not taught in the class. We
Yes, sir.
generally read about physics, chemistry, and the subjects
Yes, sir.
that are there, but
Yes, sir.
don't know people don't know about who is a leader and what are the characteristics of a leader. So this is what we are going to discuss. I have one more speaker, so I want to speak to you. By the way, what's your name? So I want to know from you what's your name and how are you feeling to join this conversation. Please pay attention to the camera and speak now.
Thank you, and I'm feeling very grateful to stand here and talk about what are you giving me. And my name is Jyotsna Singh.
Okay, Jyotsna, can I know something about your academic qualification? How are you feeling to join this institution, Gold Institute of English Language?
I'm feeling very grateful to be a part of this institution, and the teacher I have is the best of English language. Because of that, I get in this institution, and I just completed my 12th, and I'm in second year of college.
You are doing your graduation.
Yes.
Okay, so what are the subjects you have chosen for that?
I have two major and one minor, political science and English, and minor is geography.
Okay, so you have chosen English. So that's a
Yes.
good decision I think you have taken. So my topic for today is Jyotsna. I want you to speak a little bit about time management. Do you know what is time management?
Yes, sir. A time management including two words, time and management. Time means the hours we have, and management, how do we manage that hours of our lives. And time management is basically how people are managing their hours and work for what they are going to do on that day or what is going to be a monthly thing. Okay, time management is something that we do have to manage because it will help to growth of ourselves and plus the work we do.
Okay, so I think it is a kind of soft skill, Jyotsna. We must know how to manage time. We all have the same 24 hours in our life, and we don't know exactly at what particular task we have to spend that time. Okay, so youths like you, youngsters like you, must know that these 24 hours must be used properly. It should be properly allocated for a particular task. And I have seen that students are using their phones mindlessly and they are wasting their time, and I think I have seen they are facing a lot of problems due to that. And average screen time has become, has reached to 4 hours a day, and that is what is stopping them from going ahead in their life. So time management must be learned by them. And I want to speak to you, Sachin. Speak to me, and what do you want to add about time management?
So the things I wanted to mention about time management is that, as Josina has mentioned, that we have only 24 hours, and the person who is successful in his life and the person who is not successful in his life both get 24 hours in a day, and the way they utilize those 24 hours to become the person who they wanted to be is the way they manage the time. And time management is really important and crucial in everybody's life, because if you manage time properly and you get the right things done, you have to focus on this line, right things done. If you do the right things which are necessary in order to achieve your dreams, then these things are really gonna make you who you wanted to be, and time management plays a really crucial role in that.
Okay, Sachin, coming to the next question of mine, I want to know from you, do you
Yes,
know
sir.
who is a leader and what is the characteristic of a leader? Who is a leader and how can he be considered a good leader? What are the
Yes,
qualities
sir.
he must have, she must have?
Yes, sir. I think a leader is a person who leads a group. Not only leads a group, he understands his groups, and he has a. There are certain qualities or certain capabilities a leader has, and some of them are like he should have a clear vision. Like he should know the goal of the group or but whoever whatever team he is leading, he knows that what work he has to achieve or he has to do. And second, he has empathy. He understand all the peoples who are in his team, and he understand how they behave, how they do their certain things, and what are emotional aspects of everybody. And he encourages those peoples and really make them stand out and manage all the things stably.
Okay, right.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Sachin, you have spoken well about. So, I have one more speaker, Jyotsna. You also go ahead a little bit and talk to us a little bit about leaders. What do you know about that, and what are the qualities you think they must have? Okay, please.
Leadership is something that I deeply connected with, because I always wanted to lead something or do something in group of people. But that doesn't mean I'm a good leader. A leadership is defined by some capabilities that leader should have. Firstly, he or she, whether the gender is, but the qualities remain the same, as it that they are possible to give all the things that people have told him. He has to be the best in their goal or a group, and he must have earned the trust of his people that are in a group, right? So leadership is something that you can't be just given it. You have to earn it. That
Right.
is it. I
And I think leader is needed everywhere, even in your family. Your guardian is a leader. He
Yeah.
takes care of all the people in the family. If there are 10 people, 10 members in the family, so one is a guardian and he takes all the decisions, and he always takes care of all the family members, and he always thinks that everybody should be better. And I think the task of a leader is very difficult. You should can you tell me, a leadership quality can be learned by the books, or it should be something that we can experience?
It should be something that we can experience, and every flaw makes perfectionist. Okay, so yeah, when you start going doing in your school or in your institution, like anchoring or hosting something for a teacher or telling a book to someone, it should be you are good in your field and be perfect in that, then you should be a leader. It is something you have to earn.
Okay, so as far as I know, Jyotsna, leadership is a quality that can be, learned by way of practice, by being in a particular situation, and a leader has always some good qualities, like he's a risk taker, and he always believes in his job that he is doing, and he always expects and predicts something good to happen, even if challenges are there along the way. So this is what we have discussed. So coming close to the conclusion of this program and this tiny conversation we have had today, Jyotsna, I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of communication. Do you think communicating in English is important, and we must learn the viewers who are watching this video, they should learn English? Do you think like that?
Yes, you should learn English, because English is a global word. Okay, global word, because correct that. And because all of us, we should not know Tamil, we should not know, everybody not know the 22 languages, no, but we read English. English is a basic thing that every Indian or every people can learn. Okay, and communication is a art of words, expression, and a body language, and you should learn from anything. But communication is something, when you speak and a little further, you will be able to do that.
Okay, so it was pleasure talking to you, Jyotsna. And coming to the conclusion, Sachin, I want to talk to you. Sachin, you joined this conversation and you
Yes,
spoke
sir.
about leadership qualities and time
Yes, sir.
management. So we have discussed two important things, in this video. So I want for my viewers, that you go and speak something about the importance of English as a language. Why is it important, and why should they learn it? And go for the, go and speak something about the role of this institute, that Gold Institute is working day and night, for making them understand why is it important. And tell me something and go for the conclusion.
So English is important in our lives because you can express yourself at a global level, and you can everything in our world. English is a generally global language, and you have to know English in order to get job, in order to make a difference in the society, and to put your voice in the globe, and to put your voice in front of all world. And gold classes has allowed me and all the students here to achieve that thing, to achieve and to speak clearly their what thoughts and imagination and emotions they have in front of this world, and represent themselves, and actually put themselves in front of the situations and the condition they fear, and actually express themselves and achieve the things they wanted to be, like interviews, like doing presentations and all that stuff. And gold classes has played a really important crucial role in making me achieve that, and I think you will also achieve what you wanted to be in English. And if you want, you can join us.
Okay,
That's the
so
conclusion for
pleasure,
it.
really pleasure talking to you, Sachin
Yes,
and
sir.
Jyotsna. I have one more speaker, and I think Vinita, you are also enjoying the conversation. So go for the final few words, add to this conversation, and go for the final sum up and conclusion of this.
So
And
thank you very much, sir, for making this video happen and for choosing us here to represent ourselves, put our thoughts in this video, and making ourselves stand here. And thank you very much, audience, for everything. And please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.